Okay, so you're thinking about taking the Neet UG in 2025.
Hopefully thinking about acing it, right?
Exactly. And to do that, you got to know the format inside and out.
It's like the rules of the game.
Right. And that's why today we are diving deep
Hmm.
into, well,
This document you sent us, the Neet UG 2025 exam format.
yeah, Neet UG 2025 exam format.txt. We're going to go line by line.
Extract all the golden nuggets.
Exactly. So that by the end of this deep dive, you're going to know exactly what to expect when you walk into that exam room.
No surprises.
Right.
Well,
No surprises. So, to start off, let's just get this out of the way.
lay the foundation.
Yeah, it's an objective, multiple choice exam,
Yeah.
180 questions, 3 hours.
Single exam shift.
Yep, single exam shift, so no need to worry about that.
And that's good. One less thing to worry about.
Oh, for sure. Okay, so let's break it down even further.
Yeah, let's do it.
We've got the subjects.
And the weightage, right?
Yeah, the weightage.
Huh.
I think this is going to be the most valuable part for our listeners today.
I think so too.
So, okay, physics, chemistry, biology.
How many questions for each?
Well, physics and chemistry clock in at 45 each.
Makes sense. Pretty standard.
Makes sense, yeah. But biology.
Biology. 90 questions.
Yeah, a whole 90.
Almost half the exam.
Right. So I think it's pretty safe to say that
If you want to be a doctor.
you got to know your biology.
Yeah, you got to know your biology.
All right, and speaking of knowing your stuff, let's talk scoring.
Scoring. Ah, yes. The all-important scoring. 4 marks for every correct answer.
Ah, so satisfying, a correct answer.
But gotta be careful, because an incorrect answer
Oh, an incorrect answer.
sets you back 1 mark.
Oof, that's a penalty.
Negative marking. It's a strategic game, right? You
Yeah.
have to know when to take a chance and when to play it safe.
Totally. So, okay, 180 questions, 4 marks each. That means the exam is out of
720 marks.
720. That's a lot of points to be had.
And for all our listeners out there hoping to get into those top medical colleges,
Yeah.
you're going to want to be aiming for a score well above 600.
Wow. Okay, so with that kind of pressure, every single point matters.
Every point counts.
So how can our listeners, use this knowledge of the format, this knowledge of how the points work? How can they use that to their advantage when they're prepping for the exam?
I think that's the core question here, right? Like we just laid out the blueprint.
We gave them the blueprint, yeah.
Now, how are they going to build the house?
How are they going to build a house? That's so true. So what would you recommend?
Well, I think for starters, play to your strengths. We just talked about the weightage. So let's say biology is your jam.
Right.
But physics, it makes you sweat just thinking about it.
Makes sense.
Allocate your study time accordingly.
Oh, okay. I'm starting to see how all this knowledge actually helps you create like a plan.
Personalized plan.
Exactly, your own personal roadmap.
Yeah, that's what this is all about. This deep dive has given you all the intel you need. Now it's up to you to take it and create a winning strategy.
Yes. So with all of that in mind, now that you have all this information, what are you going to do? You got the blueprint. How are you going to use it to dominate the Neet UG in 2025? Good luck.
Best of luck. We believe in you.